What if I told you you can scale fast, you can make profits, you can even hit 100 crores turnover, but still be building the wrong business? Let that sink in. Just let that sink in. See, you are not lazy, you are not lacking efforts, but you are stuck in a system that rewards momentum, not the direction. In 2016, I met a business owner in Ahmedabad. He was doing 60 crores turnover, profitable, expanding fast. But when we sat down, he said, Amit bhai, why the growth feels like I am digging a deeper and deeper hole? He was hiring more people, he was opening more branches, he was pushing more hours, but nothing felt lighter. Business was scaling, yes, but it was not scaling him, it was consuming him. He said, it feels like I'm building something that doesn't love me back. That's when it hit me. You can have growth and still be trapped. You can have profits and still be lost. You can have tools, teams, turnover, and still you be building a cage for you. Because you never built it with you in the center. Nobody teaches this. No MBA, no investors, no business guru. That's why we created FPV cohort. It's a 12-week business mastermind specifically designed for Indian business owners, Indian founders who are doing turnover between 5 and 100 crores. We do not add into the chaos. Instead, we build clarity. Inside this 12 weeks cohort, we help you build your business engine around freedom, profitability, and valuations. Install replicable automated systems. Fix your cash flow leaks. Design your scalable business model that is not dependent on you. And create your exit ready business, even if you are not exiting today, or even if you are not even thinking of exiting. Every week, we meet live. You have a chance to take the hot seats. You get fixes specifically designed for your business, and you walk out with your own custom built business engine in just 90 days. See, you have put in hours, you have paid your dues, you have grown the business. But now it's time to grow a business that grows you in return. The one that gives you freedom. The one that builds wealth, not just the revenue. One that runs without your daily rescue missions. See, if you are tired of the grind, if you are scaling but feeling stuck, then apply for the cohort. Let's build your real business together. Let's design, systemize, scale, exit. Your freedom is waiting for you.